I felt like giving up. For small creators who feel stuck, can I be honest with you? I am tired. I've been showing up on YouTube, posting video, but it seems like no one is watching. The views are not there. The growth feels stuck, and I almost said, forget it. If you are a small creator and you feel like your channel isn't growing, I see you. I am you. I have over 1,000 subscribers. I post short daily. I do live and I post video almost every week. And yet sometimes I wake up, check the view, and it seems nothing is moving. Like I am yelling into the void. And that hurts because we put time, energy, and art into this. Then I stopped and asked myself, what is really working? Which video really brought in the subscribers? Am I still speaking to the people I really want to help? Then I realized something. I am not failing. I am just in the hard part of the process. Growth doesn't always show up in the views. Sometimes it shows up in your resilience. Maybe you need to hear this too. You are not failing. You are learning. You are not invisible. Your people haven't just found you yet. So be calm. And you don't need to go viral. You need to stay consistent and keep showing up for the few who already believed in you. Take a break if you have to, but do not quit. Do not give up. You are building something real, and something real takes time. If you are a creator who feels like quitting lately, I want you to drop an emoji on the comment section so that I can support you. Let's encourage each other. And if you have been through this season before, share what kept you going so that we, the upcoming one, we can learn from it. I will be back with more real talk and YouTube tip because we are not just growing channel, we are growing through the process. Like, comment, and hit the subscriber button if you are in this journey with me. You are not alone and we are not yet done. So guys, thank you for joining me. Bye.